The topper of matrix tutorial for the academic year 23-24 is Lakshit Kanswal of All Saints High School by securing 98.2%. So Lakshit, please, I request the parents also to join us on the stage. It's really a proud moment for the parents as well as for the teachers. Congratulations, Lakshit. He has got 100 out of 100 in English. Again, the credit goes to the English teacher. 96 in Hindi, 99 in maths, but still credit goes to the maths teacher. Maybe 1 mark somewhere, Lakshit, we literally have to work hard. So 1 mark, it's okay for me, you are 100% in maths. Science, 97 marks. SST 97, that comes to 98.2%, and for that he is getting a cash prize of 51,000.